Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Payoneer application or go to Payoneer website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, you can see Withdraw and Transfer. Click to Withdraw and Transfer, then go to Withdraw to Bank. Then it will take you to this type of interface. There, you can choose your bank account, then choose your balance. Enter the withdrawal amount, then enter your description. Once you have done that, click to Review and click to Withdraw. This is how you can withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your bank account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.